Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back again. After long time no. After long time, I cannot make a vlog video, and finally today I can make video again, and I will with you for 5 minutes. For 5 minutes, okay, guys. Okay, I will tell you some story, not story. So my problem now. Oh, by the way, in the past, I have some what even I get some mission that I cannot live that. And today, Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin, I have some time, not some time, some empty time to make vlog again. Okay, guys, we leave that. By the way, I will tell you aduh, story. My motorcycle is need to service because his suspension is broken now. Not physically, but in his rubber now. That this is sorry, so dark you cannot look that. The rubber, I will tell you, just tell you, the rubber is broken because I bring my friend, and my friend is the weight is so what heavy, so heavy. Then I what I walk. There is broken road, and in high speed. So my motorcycle is all making a sound, making a broke sound. But I don't know what's broke in that time. After I check again in house, the broke sound is from suspension. And now my motorcycle is if you ride my motorcycle, you will feel the it's not comfortable. Yes, not comfortable for riding. And again, the problem is I must service that before what Tuesday, because in Tuesday I have even in Jakarta, and I must go to that time, to not that time, that place in SCBD. By the way, I was attend in AWS, that in SCBD 2 in what small, I forgot that. Anyway, that's in this event will help in CGV, I think in cinema, I don't know, CGV or XX1, I forget that. By the way, I must service that before that day, and I will no, inshallah, what in Saturday I will service that in Ahas service for Honda motorcycle. And enough for this day. Thank you for watching my vlog. See you in next video. Assalamualaikum.